Abhay spends one-fourth of his study hours on physics and one-third on the remaining on maths. If he studies maths for 2 hours, what is his total study time? Let's assume his total study time to be x. So he studies physics for one-fourth of x, that is x by 4 hours. So the remaining hours will be 3x by 4. Now it is mentioned here that one-third of the remaining he studies maths. So maths will be one-third of 3x by 4, that is again x by 4. Now it is mentioned that he studies maths for 2 hours. So x by 4 is equal to 2 hours. So therefore, solving this, you get x is equal to 8 hours. So that's your answer.